On today's Power Part information, I will be teaching you on how to protect yourself, on how to protect yourself from evil attack, on how to protect your home, on how to remember your dreams, and on how to open your third eyes. Yes, just using one powerful spiritual materials that has the power to destroy, that has the power to repair negative energy. This particular spiritual material is none other material than onions. With these onions, you will protect your home, you will protect your house, you will protect yourself. With these onions, you will remember your dreams if you are the type that forgets when you dream. And you will stop every midnight attack with just one ball of onions. Hello viewers, you are welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipe, spiritual messages, using the power of the Almighty God, the power of the universe, and the power of my ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. You're also using natural materials, natural ingredients, natural resources, natural herbs, natural roots that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, powers, vibration, and frequency in order to solve our spiritual problems. And if you are just joining us for the very first time, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get a notification. Give me a thumbs up on my video, which signifies the like. Comment on the comment section. If you have any question, ask it on the comment section. And if you have any contribution that will move this channel forward, don't hesitate to put it on the comment section. And if you have anything you want me to do for you spiritually, don't hesitate to contact me, as I am open to communication. And for you, my bona fide subscribers, my old and new subscribers, my day one gang, my backbones, you know who you are. Those that has brought me this far, those that has been supporting me in money and in kind, those that has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, those that has been trusting me even without seeing me, counting on me to solve their spiritual problems, sending me money, those of you that has been calling me, testifying of what God is using me to do in people's life on here. I said, may your days be long. May you cast and never carry. May you never suffer for what you do not know. Let the doors of heaven, the windows of heaven, the showers of blessing, may it be your portion in the name of Jesus. And so shall it be. To God who has created me and has given me this gift, to the universe and my ancestors, I am loyal and I bow my head for what you people are doing for me. Thank you, my creator and my mediator, and may your name alone be highly exalted. Now quickly, without wasting your time, on today's spiritual recipe or power part information, I have come with another secret that nobody is talking about. How you can protect your home, how you can protect yourself from every evil attack. Evil attack by the day, evil attack by the afternoon, evil attack by the night. You that is watching me on here, that at night you find it difficult to sleep, because when you sleep, you always see dead people. You always see where they are burying people. You always see masquerade chasing you. Relax and watch this video to the end. With one ball of onions, you are going to stop every evil attack. With one ball of onions, you are going to realize your dream. With one ball of onions, your third eyes will be open. If you are passing through any difficulties, We know the power that onions possesses. Onions has a lot of spiritual energies and vibration and frequencies. That is what we are going to harness in order to stop every evil attack. Yes, we have 13 benefits, 13 spiritual benefits of onions. You can use onions for cleansing. You can use onions to destroy your enemy. You can use onions for protection. You can use onions to attract love. You can use onions to attract favor. You can also use onions to cure and heal diseases and sicknesses. But on this particular recipe is on how you can use one ball of onions to protect yourself and to stop evil attack at night. For those of you who does not understand your dream, after listening to this recipe and following it and doing it the right way, starting from today, you will be understanding your dreams when you dream them, and your third eyes will be open. For those of you who normally get attacked and see dead people and masquerade chasing them in their dream, this is going to stop it. Yes, but before I go into details on how you are going to do this in your favor, I would like to introduce my product a little bit because it is called Walk and Chop. Yes, for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, on this channel, we share spiritual tips and recipes. And my name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. We also have our spiritual material, spiritual product that are spiritually made by my own hands and locally made by my own hand and spiritually charged by me, myself only. Yes, we have the curse breaking soap. If you are under a curse, yes, because when a man is under a curse, nothing good comes into your life. If you are under a curse of any man or any woman, from your paternal side or your maternal side, knowingly or unknowingly, we have the antidote to break that curse, even if it is inherited curse. We have the curse breaking soap. We have the road opening soap for those of you who things has been difficult for, that is finding it difficult to make ends meet. We have the road opening soap. We have the anti-witchcraft soap and cream. Yes, for those of you who are under witchcraft manipulation. And we have the back to sender soap. We also have the spiritual cleansing soap birth mixture. And we have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. For those of you who are suffering from affliction of the devil, from moving object, for those of you who have eaten something in the dream, and it has become from one problem to the other, they have been carrying you from one prayer house to the other. Feel free. If you have any moving object in your body, no matter how many years it has lasted, I can beat up my chest and tell you that my products are tested and trusted. Feel free to contact me on WhatsApp. Let us discuss on modality on how I can get this Equable Plus Detox and to witchcraft poison dissolver for you. It is tested and trusted. Yes, and we have the love and affectionate soap. We have the crowd pulling soap for those of you who are businessmen and women. You need customers to be flowing in your business place. You need them to be patronizing you. Don't hesitate to contact me on my WhatsApp number +234 7088 136610. That is my WhatsApp number. Let us discuss on modalities on how I can get my products to you. Now, to the business of the day on how you can use one ball of onions for protection, to protect your home against every evil attack or any evil attack by the day, attack by the night, attack by the morning. If you normally forget your dream, or you normally see dead people, or you normally see masquerade or shrine when you are sleeping, and they have given you sleepless night, when it is coming to nightfall, your heart will storm into your belly. Now, this is the solution. Get one ball of onions, cut it horizontally. Look at this. You cut it horizontally this way. You are going to use the bottom side. If you listen, If you normally forgot your dream, if you don't remember your dream when you dream them, if you need to open your third eyes, you need the universe, you need God in heaven, you need your ancestors to open your third eyes. Maybe there is something that has been bothering you and you want to know about that thing. You make your intention known to this onion. They have cut, as I have cut it horizontally. Make your intention known to these onions. After making your intention known, say that problem that you want the heaven to reveal to you, that you want the universe to reveal to you when you are sleeping. Say that trouble. Or if you want to know who your enemy is, through this recipe, you are going to know who your enemy is. You can ask the universe or God or your creators who your enemies is. If you are passing through stagnation or disappointment or failure, or if you are passing through one problem, just say it unto these onions. And how are you going to do this? After saying it, you place it like this under your pillow or under your mattress. You place it like this and you sleep over it. If you do have attack, that evil people come to the night, they come to your dream to attack you every night, and they have made you to remain restless at night, just cut these onions, make your intention known, place it under your pillow and sleep over. You will sleep like a baby. You that does not understand your dream, when you dream them, when you wake up, you forgot it. If you use this, if you dream, when you wake up, you are going to remember it. You that want your third eyes to open, make your intention known to this half of onions and put it under your pillow. Sleep over it. Leave it there for 4 days. The heavens, the universe will reveal the problem you are passing through, will reveal your case. Wherever your case is coming from, they will reveal it to you. Yes, that is for people who is normally having midnight attack when they are sleeping. People who want to remember their dream, people who want their eyes to be open. Do this and keep it under your pillow and sleep over it. The universe is going to bring your dreams to come true. Then if you want to use this, if you want this to serve as a protection in your home, the way you cut it horizontally, look for one corner of the house and place it there. Make your intention known. Tell these onions that you are harnessing the spiritual energy that onions possesses, their frequencies and vibration inside this home, to drive away every spiritual attack, every evil attack, knowingly or unknowingly, no matter where it's coming from your neighbor, coming from your village, coming from your friend, everything that is not contrary to the glory of God inside this house, by the reason of this recipe, let this onion drive them away. Let the power in onion drive away negativities inside your house. Place it at one corner of your house and leave it there for protection. It's going to protect your house. No attack will befall your house. It's going to drive away negative energies of any kind. Then you want to use this as a protection when you are going out for your business, to your employment, to your employees. You are going out for appointment or you are going out for a date. Just cut a little bit of onion and put inside your wallet or inside your handbag or inside your purse. Then you want to use it to protect your children. When they are going to school, cut a little bit of onion and put inside their school bag. And this will serve as a protection. Yes. Some people will be asking, how do you know this? I know it because I am a spiritualist and the spiritual control the physical realm. Yes, it is tested and trusted. Go and try this out. Use one ball of onions to protect yourself against every evil attack, to remember your dreams. Yes, to drive away negativities. Go and try this out and come back with your testimony. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. And if you have never subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, please. subscribe to this channel. Help me to share this video to your friends and well-wishers. You might be a soul saver to someone out there that needs a spiritual solution. Don't hesitate to comment on the comment section. And don't forget, I am a spiritualist. If there's any problem you need me to look into, if there's any problem you want us to join our faith together, that your faith is not being enough to carry it out, to carry out the spiritual assignment or spiritual eternity, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. My number is +234 7088 136610. That is my number. My name is Brother Chima. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.